Take a ride in the 2016 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front disc and rear drum brakes, rear parking aid, front wheel drive. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.